Hi everyone. The Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP was a brand new motorcycle in 2020, and built with an unwavering focus on circuit riding. For 2022 development of its inline 4-cylinder engine, while retaining peak output of 160 kilowatts at 14,500 revolutions per minute, has centered on mid-corner acceleration and drive. Intake ports, airbox funnels and exhaust midsection have all been revised to deliver extra mid-range. The final drive sprocket goes up 3 teeth, to 43, for stronger acceleration through each ratio, and quick shifter performance has been upgraded. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, has also been optimized, with feedback from HRC's riders, for refined rear tire traction management, and throttle feel improved even further. The rest of the chassis, comprising aluminium diamond-style frame, RC213VS style swingarm, 6-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, and 3-level Honda Electronic Steering Damper, HESD, is unchanged. Full, race-quality suspension is provided by Ohlins Smart Electronic Control, SEC, and OBTi user interface, with braking front and rear by Brembo. The bodywork and riding position maintain an uncompromising focus on aerodynamic performance, and the fairing features MotoGP-derived winglets to generate downforce. A full-color DFD screen offers intuitive control of riding modes and adjustment of power, engine brake, HSTC, Wheelie Control, Start mode and ABS modes. A smart key is the finishing touch. For 2022 both the existing paint options now feature gold wheels, and they are joined by one very special new choice. That is, the limited edition Fireblade SP 30th anniversary, which pays diligent homage to the original '92 Fireblade, the bike that started it all 30 years ago. Since its original 1992 introduction, Honda's iconic Fireblade has evolved into an incredible 1000cc sports motorcycle. And it's also been the base of a competitive race machine, on short circuits around the world and the roads of the Isle of Man TT. But time, and competition, always races on, and in 2020 Honda drew the line under where the CBR1000RR Fireblade had been, and looked forward to where it was going. And, as a result, two brand new motorcycles, the CBR1000RR-R Fireblade and CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP, were created with heavy involvement from Honda Racing Corporation to carry the legend forward. Leaning heavily on the engine and chassis technology of the RC213VS street-legal MotoGP machine, with aerodynamics drawn from the RC213V MotoGP bike, the new Fireblade was designed from the ground up, in terms of engine, handling and aerodynamics, for pure, outright track performance. 2022 is an important anniversary for Honda, and its Fireblade, as it marks 30 years of what has proved, over time, a truly seminal sports machine. A variety of detail updates improve both corner exit acceleration, HSTC management and throttle feel, and, to mark 3 decades of sheer, undiluted performance, the CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP 30th anniversary will be available for Europe in a limited edition, instantly recognizable and evocative paint option. Model overview. The Fireblade SP's inline 4-cylinder engine delivers 112 Nm at 12,500 revolutions per minute and makes peak power of 160 kilowatts at 14,500 revolutions per minute. Updates for 2022 center around upping mid-corner drive and acceleration. Firstly, the rear sprocket goes from 40 to 43 teeth, improving acceleration through the gears in the mid-range while maintaining high RPM output. Both airbox and intake funnels have been reshaped to smooth flow. The intake ports have been adjusted to increase airflow velocity while exhaust flow into the catalyzer, and the catalyzer itself, has been optimized. Throttle by wire, TBW, spring load has been reduced, for improved linearity and response on opening. Using extensive feedback from racers around the world, including Honda's HRC World SBK team, Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, has been refined to offer the rider the power, grip level and feel they want, and to match the increased drive. As before, 3 default riding modes cover most conditions with options to fully adjust power, engine brake, wheelie control and HSTC. The electronics package also includes adjustable start mode and standard fit, newly revised, quick shifter. The engine uses a compact, short stroke layout, sharing the bore and stroke of the RC213V, and features a semi-cam gear train, finger follower rocker arms, titanium con rods, RC213VS internal friction reduction technologies, piston jets with check ball system and a built-in bottom bypass passage for the cylinder water jacket. A ram air duct in the front fairing feeds directly through the headstock. The 421 exhaust downpipes are ovalized and feed a titanium Akrapovic end can. An aluminium diamond frame uses the rear of the engine as upper shock mount, while the swingarm is based on the RC213VS design. The rigidity balance, weight distribution and steering geometry are carefully adjusted to exploit the engine's output, in terms of front and rear grip levels, and feel for both. A 6-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, provides accurate 3D estimation of riding dynamics and provides input to manage all of the electronic systems. It also controls the rod Type 3-level Honda Electronic Steering Damper, HESD. Ohlins Smart Electronic Control, SEC 43mm NPX forks and TTX 36 rear shock offer race quality suspension, with settings managed by second-generation Ohlins object-based tuning interface, OBTi. The front discs are worked by Brembo style MA 4-piston calipers and Brembo brake lever master cylinder, while the ABS is adjustable for track riding. Honda's RC213V MotoGP machine lent some of its slippery aerodynamics to the Fireblade, including winglets to increase downforce and improve braking stability. The riding position is also very compact. A fully customizable 5-inch DFD display offers intuitive control via a 4-way switch on the left handlebar. Honda's Smart Key system adds convenience. The 2022 CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP will be available in Grand Prix Red and Matte Pearl Morion Black, both now with gold wheels and new HRC logos, and an evocative paint scheme from another era. CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP 30th Anniversary. To celebrate the original, groundbreaking Fireblade of 1992, a limited edition tricolor paint scheme will be available for 2022, designed by Mr. Hiroaki Tsukui, who was also responsible for the original 1992 color design. Instantly recognizable, all the details are present and correct, with the ultra-modern feel of the 2020 stripe layout merged with brushstroke-style elements that pay clear homage to the seminal original. The blue rear seat continues the theme. Other further details set it apart. On startup, there's a ring of fire screen animation as the display loads. The unique serial number for each bike is laser engraved on the top yoke and 30th anniversary logos, on the fuel tank cover, the smart key fob, and laser engraved on the Akrapovic muffler, place a subtle extra special stamp, marking the CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP 30th Anniversary's own place in Honda history. Key features. Engine. Short stroke, inline 4-cylinder engine produces high output 160 kilowatts at 14,500 revolutions per minute with peak torque of 112 Nm at 12,500 revolutions per minute. New 43-tooth rear sprocket shortens overall gearing for improved drive and acceleration, opening up gear selection choice. Intake ports reshaped to increase flow, air intake funnels and airbox revised to match. 421 exhaust 2 midsection and catalyzer optimized for gas flow. Engine electronics. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, software upgraded for smoother traction management, with feedback from HRC's riders. Throttle-by-wire return spring load lightened for more linear throttle delivery. Quick shifter updated for faster, smoother gear changes. 3 default riding modes plus options to customize power, engine brake, HSTC and wheelie control. Start mode standard fitment. Chassis. Aluminium frame and swingarm feature tuned rigidity balance for precise handling and feel for grip. Bosch 6-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, gives accurate calculation of dynamic behavior and precise control. Second generation Ohlins Smart Electronic Control, SEC, offers refined choice of settings. The Ohlins NPX fork features pressurized damping for outstanding bump absorption and feel. Brembo style radial mount 4-piston calipers managed by ABS with switchable sport track modes. Showa's 3-level Honda Electronic Steering Damper, HESD, controlled by EMU for stability management. Aerodynamic package and equipment. Fairing, screen and mudguard minimize frontal area and reduce drag. Low fuel tank cover provides compact riding position. Inner fairing winglets drawn from the RC213V MotoGP machine reduce wheelies under acceleration and improve braking stability. 5-inch color DFD screen and 4-way left-hand switch offer intuitive control of riding systems. Smart key operation adds convenience. A range of Honda genuine accessories are available for the 2022 CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP both individually or as part of either the carbon, racing and long-distance accessory packs. Thanks for watching.